What's up YouTube, this is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in a 2001 Toyota Avalon. On this one I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter with this Bosch premium cabin air filter, which meets the HEPA standard. This is part number 6056C, and I will put a link in the description to this as well. Now this one isn't too hard, but it sits in here behind the glove compartment, the glove box. The first thing we need to do is remove a screw down here at this corner and a 10mm bolt down here at this corner. Okay, so just using a Phillips screwdriver. If you look down here at the bottom left corner, you'll see that there's one screw, and we can take that out. It's kind of stuck in this plastic housing, so it may not come all the way out, but we just need to loosen that first. Like so. Now over here on the right corner, there's a little 10mm bolt in here. Now this little bolt has a little Phillips head on the top of it as well, so I'm just using a 10mm socket here, but you could also maybe use a screwdriver. You see that's a little, it's a 10mm, but it also has a Phillips in there. So you can use, I guess, either one. I will just set that aside. Okay, now you can open the glove box. And now we can loosen and remove these three screws. There's 1, 2, and 3 over here in the corner. Now I forgot to mention down here below, there's another panel. See just this little black panel? I forgot to mention we just need to pull that down. Just kind of snaps loose. There's just those three, this little clip right here, and then these two little things. Little tabs kind of snap into place. Okay, now to remove the glove box, you kind of just pull it down. See, it's got these little snaps right here. But now we need to disconnect this black connector here. Just press this tab in on the back and then pull out that connector there. And then this, the right side here, this will also just come down. Just kind of pull it down, and it's got this little snap right here as well. Now you want to be careful with this connector right here. This is for your airbag, so if you just squeeze these little tabs in and just press it all the way through, and then you can turn it sideways. Press it through, turn it sideways, and then you can push it all the way out. Just like that. Alright, and we can just drop that glove box out of the way. Now our cabin air filter sits behind this little thing right here. You just put your fingers on the ends, squeeze it in, and pull it outward. Slide it out just like that. So this piece we reuse, but the inside piece here, and you can see where it's caught all that dust, that of course is no good. That's trash. So just pull out this old one here, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty, full of all kinds of junk. Now we can grab our new filter here, and again, this is the Bosch HEPA filter. This is a 6056C is the part number, and you can see it's got a mark for the airflow as well. Airflow going down, so that's through this top part here, the blue part. So we're just going to put that in the same way. So airflow going down through here, and that's exactly the way we have this set up. So So we just press this in. Just make sure you firmly seat it under these plastic tabs here. And that's nice. That fits in there very nicely. There's no gaps or anything. Again, compared to the old one here, quite a difference. So now we can put this back in. Okay, and then again, this has got a little mark on here on the front of this plastic. I don't know if you can read that, but it says up right there. Just slide that in until it clicks. There we go. Okay, now I've got the glove box ready to put back in. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put this airbag connector back in here. And that just push it through that hole, kind of turn it. And then with your hand you can kind of put it through this hole, push it up until it clicks. There we go. Okay. Over on this side we've also got this electrical connector for the trunk opener, so we can connect that until it clips. And then you're just gonna guide this upward. Again, you've got these little snaps that go into place. So this little piece right over here, this little piece right here, and then this one on this side, just like little tabs that we'll just press that in each side. And you'll hear it snap on both sides once that's in place. And easy enough, we just line those screws up and screw those in. And we can line up that last bolt. I'm just going to use the Phillips screwdriver on this. See if I can show you a better angle. Okay. And there's that screw right there that I'm going to also screw in. I know this is sideways for you, but I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing here. And then just this little black panel down here, it's got a couple of these little clips. Just line those up, press them in until they snap, and then that last one over there. And you're done. Pretty easy job. I hope you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you did. And also just want to say thanks to Bosch for the cabin air filter. I again will put a link in the description to this particular filter. But again, thanks so much for watching, and good luck.